What's up, everyone? My name is Keith Lorren, and I'm known as the Spice King, and we're here at the Ocala Culinary Festival. It's beautiful, it's windy, it's breezy, and the day is perfect. So today we're highlighting the health benefits and the flavor profile of hemp and cannabis. So we brought our special
Canna Spice collection. You have to try it. It comes with 4 items. One is the CBD drizzling oil that's perfect for salads and marinades and just to finish your food. We also have the Canna Hot Sauce that's made with habanero, cayenne, and lime. We have the Canna Spice that's based in a Parmesan cheese blend with lemon and herbs and really complements the OG Kush flavor profile of cannabis. And we also have a special Canna BBQ sauce that's a mustard base that's sweet and spicy and absolutely perfect. You have to try it.
I hope you enjoy.